So hello everyone, this is Abhishek Sharma, and in this particular video I am going to show you how you can use drop duplicates to drop duplicates from your data frame, Pandas data frame. So first I have created this CSV file. Let's run it, and I will show you this data frame. Like you can see here, Raju, Sonu, Deepak, Preeti, Diya, Raju, Preeti. I have given Preeti 3 times here, two with the same values, but the third one is with different roll number. Okay, so and also this Raju, I have duplicated it. So let's see. So df1 is equals to df1 dot drop duplicates. What this will do, it will drop the duplicates based on all the columns. I mean, it will consider all the columns to determine that the rows are duplicate or not. Getting my point? So let's check it. Then df1, like you can see here, now only 6 records are there out of 8. So it removes this Preeti with roll number 4 because this is duplicate, right? And also Raju, this is whole duplicate, row level duplicate. Okay, so that's how it works. And if we let's run it again, read it again, df, then I will drop the duplicates based on some column, like if I want to drop the duplicate based on subset, so subset is equals to name. So it will remove the duplicates based on name, and it will by default keep the first one record. So let's check it, df1. So now you can see only 5 records are there. So it means it removes the duplicate based on name and keep the first one only. Like you can see for Preeti, it is keeping only the first row, first record, and removing the other two. So that's how it works with name, and also for Raju. And if I want to keep the last record only, then we can specify keep is equals to last. Okay, let's run it again. So now you can see Preeti, we are keeping the value the last one with roll number 5, not with 4. Okay, and one more thing, like let's run it again, df1. Okay, then drop duplicates, and here I am not assigning to the same data frame. Here I want to remove the duplicates from this data frame itself without assigning to any other data frame. So like this, in place is equals to true. So let's run it. Now you can see the same thing. I mean, we don't need to assign it to df1. It is removing the duplicates within the data frame itself. So that's all about drop duplicates in Pandas. So thank you all to watching this video.